Hey Rush family, welcome to another video. This is a drone video. So I'm sure you're already seeing some scenes from the drone shots. You know where we are. We are at the intersection of South Camp Road and East Queen Street. So that's where the property is located. Not much information on it, but we can confirm some things. We know it's a commercial development because they wouldn't put a residential right there. Right, and based on information, it seems to be between 10 to 12 floors. The first couple floors seems to be parking garage. So first couple floors is going to be for parking, and then you have the offices above. So it could be a mixed use commercial development where you have different companies on different floors, including a BPO, a call center. That's what some buildings are being designed as now. Sometimes one call center company cannot fill out an entire big building, so you may have other companies existing in the same building on different floors. Usually you don't have two call centers in one building because they're in the same line of business. But let's see what this one turns out to be. I think this is our second video. So we're just watching the progress of this development, and as usual we'll be here from start to finish, and once they put up a billboard we'll get some more details as well. But it seems to be a commercial development. It's high rise. A BPO is basically across the road as well. So from the drone you'll see a red and dark blue building. That's the Kingston sorting office, the central sorting office for the post office. So that's where the mail got to sorry, and then it's sent to different parishes, as in letters, mail. So yeah, so a call center is basically close by to this development as well, so it could be a second BPO, so who knows. So we'll just keep watching, keep looking, and see what this one turns out to be. So it's a drone video, so most of the video will just be drone shots, just covering the area for you guys. And as usual, leave your comments. Remember to like, remember to share the video, and remember to subscribe as well. Subscribing is free, and that's the easiest way to support the channel. So as usual, thanks for clicking on this video. More video to come. Just trying to be as consistent for you guys as possible, so just stay tuned to the channel, turn on your notification bell, so when a new video pops up you guys will be notified. So we're gonna set up the drone now, give you some better shots of the development, get some shots of the surrounding area, and just get a glimpse of the progress of the work. So thanks for watching, and do enjoy.